Hi, if you want to add or remove Gmail account on the iPhone 16, then open settings, here scroll to the end to go in the apps section, and after that find the mail app. And here it is. Now on the top of the screen you can see your mail accounts, your iCloud of course, and this option to add an account. So just select Google from the list. And now you will need to enter your email or phone number, and after that enter the password. So let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. So after we successfully entered our information, you would see this pop-up window, so you would need to choose how do you like to sign in to the Google.com. We have two options, security key, so you will need to use an external security key or the first one with the help of another device. So let's select the first one, tap the continue button, and now we need to take other device and scan this QR code. The device should run on the iOS 16 by the way. Now it requires your Face ID or the password, and after that you would see that it is connecting and you can just enable to use Face ID to sign in. So let me just scan my Face ID real quick, and now on this phone we can just tap the continue button to agree with the privacy policy, and now iOS wants access to your Google account. Here you just tap in the continue button, and after that tap on the switcher with mail, contacts, calendar, and also you can add notes here. Then select the save button and the account is added now. You can see here Gmail account. So if you want to delete this account, you need to go back in the Mails account, choose your Gmail, and here select this option to delete it and confirm by deleting from my iPhone. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.